So can you rearrange the Spotify layout on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are some things you can do, of course. If anything changed recently about the Spotify, you can always just get to the App Store and look it up right there to see if there isn't any update available. Because if there is, you'll be able to just get the latest version. If any like layout or reorganization change happen, you can only get it by in like the update of the app, right? So make sure you always run the latest version of the app. But once you're inside of the Spotify, you can tap on your profile and go to the settings in privacy. And there are some things you can change, but there isn't like any, there isn't much what you can do. Like you can go to the content and a display. And for example, disable the canvas, right? So, or you can see that you can show unplayable songs or hide them, right? And these kind of like small things which might change the way it looks slightly, but it isn't really that much that you can do in here, right? Because at the end of the day, it's just an app, right? And it will work the way that the developers set it up. So that is something which I wanted to just mention. I wanted to answer that question. So let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.